Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us here at the Matthews Wish News Network. December 10th, and the countdown continues. Let's go back down to Florida for today's report. Linda and Kevin, what do you guys have?
Hello, it's Linda, and you know what it is. It's 3 days to Matthews Wish. I'm so excited to see everybody this year. And we do have a new member of the Matthews Wish family. This is Kelsey. Please don't forget about our Chinese auction.
The date is December 13th, starting at 2 p.m. at Brentwood's main firehouse. We'll see you there.
Bye.
Thank you, Linda and Kevin. That's right, folks. Only 3 days left to the Matthews Wish Toy Parade. So come on down to the Brentwood Fire Department, 125 4th Street in Brentwood. And please go to YouTube, go to Matthews Wish NY, and subscribe to our channel so we can live stream right from YouTube on the Matthews Wish Parade route. Until tomorrow, stay well, stay safe.
That's all, folks.